David Corey, a natural spring. Look at it. Look at that water coming out of there. Y'all see that water coming out of that hole? Natural spring. Shit, boy. Man, that's something else right there. We're back up in here. Y'all see that creek running? And see how much water running down that creek? It may not look like it's running. That water running. That water is rushing. Let me get you in closer. Can y'all see that water? The water is rushing. Me and my kinfolk out here in the rainstorm. Putting up the fence. Yeah.
Across all my eyes.
Man, that water deep. Yeah. Almost. I'm told you, we're watching you still. We just cut down all this right here. I just moved this heavy log. It was over here, and I had to get it out the fence. I pushed that sun gun over into the creek. Mike, I know they won't believe me when I say I pushed that tree over there. I know they won't. See, just make sure this fence is right.
All right, man, let's get out.
Yeah, let's go. Look how deep that water is. I'm gonna show you how deep this water is. I'm gonna pick up this log. I'm gonna try to show you how deep this water is. See how it's stuck in the bottom? That's how deep that water is. Yes, yes. Man, dog it. I'm gonna tell my kinfolk Jack here. All that water coming out the hill. It's a pond just over there. You can see that metal bridge right in between there. All right. Nah. You got your tools?
Hey, that number did that.
Yeah.
Right there. Look at that hole right there.
Hey, it's water in that hole.
Water coming, look. You hear the water coming out right here?
No, Mike. It's water off in this hole.
Yeah, look at the water coming out right here. Coming out the ground.
Oh man, there go another natural spring. Water coming out of the ground. Hey, you don't see no hole, no wet trail of water up there. That's uphill. Man. Boy, it is thick. We had to cut us a trail in here earlier. Goodness. Oh. Man, I know there's some stuff up in these woods, boy. Thought that was a telephone pole over there. Don't know how it would have gotten there. Thought it would.
What kind of little tree is that?
It ain't no fruit tree. That's one of them junk trees.
All you see this back there is junk.
And now, I imagine there's some fruit trees back here somewhere. We just got to see them.
Look at them little oak trees.
And I say that, yeah. And I say that because birds poop out them seeds.
Yeah.
So it might be a lot of stuff back here. I got a couple of nectarine trees growing from seeds.
Nectarine?
Yep.
I never tried to do this.
All them seeds that fell at the house.
Yeah.
All them nectarine that went, the seeds fall. Shit, they start growing. I'm glad I was doing that, picking up them seeds last year. Because I didn't get all of them. And the ones I did, and I saw little nectarine trees growing.
Yeah.
Man, it used to be open right in there. There go the cow.
Right.
Listen. I just heard a cow. That used to be all open. I don't understand how my phone looking so light either. Phone looking bright as ever. It might have gotten wet.
Oh, that's awesome.
Look at that salamander, or lizard, whatever it
To get somewhere.
He getting somewhere. I don't even know where he went.
Hey, look at my big old chicken coop. TLC.
You say who?
That old chicken coop. Down there, stick.
The old chicken coop?
Yeah. So they can come here and eat this grass. That might help. Yeah. I'm sticking on that wire right there. Girl, you can knock it down with this shit.
That should still.
Yeah.
It did?
Nah, they're gonna move in a minute.
Oh, no.
So we can hell been I trap my cows in here.
Open up one. The other side ain't gonna show no traffic. Ooh, man.